good. All right. All right, guys. This is your Mile High Mini Monsters Freestyle. This is your final freestyle of the 2025 season. Starting us off will be Ryder, Gravedigger 30th anniversary. You know the rules, man. A minute and a half on the clock. Goes on your first jump. All right, time starts now. All right, good run. Good start for Gravedigger. Good jump over the big launch in the center. Hits a little car crush. Keeping a smooth run. Yeah, hits a nice sky wheelie. Saves it. Oh, one roll. That'll be a roll right there. Pause it. All right, you'll have a minute 7 left. All right, you get 2 rolls in freestyle. First one stops the clock, second one ends the run. All right, big air for the Gravedigger. Does he get it back? No, he's stuck on the cars. That'll be 2 rolls, a minute and 2 seconds left. Good to go? All right, Jacob and Wildchild, you know the drill, brother. Starting it with a big air hit. And good run. This is your series points leader right now. Wildchild, nice sky wheelie over the crush cars. Smash it through the ambulance. Whoa, big air. A minute and 10 seconds left. Hits the backflip, perfect. A minute and 5 seconds left. Another big air hit. Smash it through a car. 60 seconds left for the Wildchild. Nice, good run so far. Whoa, getting crazy, but he saves it. 50 seconds left. Heating up the course. No car is safe. Nice, good air hit over the backside there. 40 seconds left. Big sky wheelie. Ooh, hard hit, but he lands it. 35 seconds left for the Wildchild. No rolls yet. Huge air for the Wildchild. 25 seconds. Gets himself in a little tight turn. Hits a backflip with the twist. Pulls it out. Gets it back at 15 seconds left. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's time for Wildchild. That was an awesome run. Yeah, a little bonus jump. If you guys saw the last run of photos, you know this truck saw the sky last event. There's literally a photo of that truck being as high as the flag from our last round of pictures. All right. Nah, just 2,000%. All right. Cameras are ready. Go on your first hit, my friend. Ryan with the King Bling. Whoa, big corkscrew hit. Ooh, he broke a link straight off the bat. That's all right, just let her rip. It's already broke now. Yeah, save it. Oh, that's 1 roll for the Bling. All right, minute 15 seconds left. Plenty of time left to break some more stuff. And he's back on the clock. Yeah. And that's all for, oh, no, he got it back. He got it back. He's back. Oh, my goodness. Oh, saves it with the wheel stand. Look at that, walking it out. King Bling tearing it up today, guys, literally. Yeah, giving a big save. Is that going to be it? That's all she wrote right there. At 54 seconds left. Good run for the King Bling. Ryan did not let anything go. 6, and a 4. 16. Good run, dude. All right. Looks like we've got the son of a digger on the course. Chris, are you ready to go? All right, time starts on your first jump, my friend. Doing a little parade lap. All right, son of a digger on the course. Nice sky wheelie. Can he save it? No, that's one roll. 123 left. He's got a bad, weird wheelie. It happens sometimes. That's the thing about monster trucks. They're unpredictable. All right, we are back underway. All right, great son of a digger smashing through some stuff there. Big ass with the son of a digger. Good run here so far. Nice, solid jump. Yeah. No car safe. Oh no! And that's 2 rolls. The Chaos Alley, the Crush Car Alley got him. Oh, all right, man, go on your first hit, my friend. Bigfoot 18, getting started. Nice. See what Sam can do out here on the freestyle course. He's one of our most consistent race drivers. Yeah, big air. Wow. 1 minute and 14 seconds left. Plenty of time for Bigfoot. Oh, he goes for the backflip. Oh, it bounced off his foot. And that's 1 roll. 1 minute left on the dot. All right, back on the clock. Yeah, big sky wheelie. Perfect downside. Yeah, another big sky wheelie, Bigfoot style. Oh, gets the roll back. He got it back. 40 seconds left. He's picking up the pace. You can tell the momentum's getting a little bit faster. Cutting across the course there. Another backflip. Hits it clean. 29 seconds left. Uh-oh. We having truck mechanicals? Uh-oh. What are we doing? Oh, he gets a backwards roll. 15 seconds left, Sam. Oh, another little save. He has no steering right now, guys. He's doing this with no steering. And that's going to be it for Sam. With 11 seconds left for Bigfoot 18.
Alrighty, and here comes Troy and bugging out. He knows the rules. On your first hit. Starting off with huge air. Plowing through the crush cars. Nice little double flip. Oh, nice guy. Oh, slap wheelie into the city. Troy getting all over the track right now. You got about a minute left, Troy. Looks like, no, he's back on it, save. And hung up on the wall. That's going to be his first roll at 48 seconds. Alrighty, Troy, on your first hit. And back on the clock. Getting a little hung up on the backflip ramp. This bug is using everything on the track. Nice little side flip. 30 seconds left, Troy. Give it all you got. Huge sky wheelie. And can he save it? And it looks like that would be time with 18 seconds and a killer run out of the little bug.